Hello, let's install your Gerber Elongated, Undermount, Soft Close, One-Button Quick-Release toilet seat. The specific toilet seat item numbers that this video supports can be found in the title or description. First, make sure all components are included. You should have 2 caps, 2 bolts, 2 hinge posts, 2 anchors, and 1 Gerber Elongated, Undermount, Soft Close, One-Button Quick-Release toilet seat. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver or socket wrench. Now, start by inserting the anchors into the holes on the toilet bowl. Ensure the end with the flat edge is facing up. Thread the bolts through the hinge posts. Insert the bolts into the anchors, and apply pressure downward to push the anchors into place. Use a screwdriver to secure the bolts into the anchors until they are slightly tight. Align the holes on the seat with the hinge posts and lower the seat into place. Ensure the seat is properly aligned. Then, fully tighten the bolts with your screwdriver or socket wrench. Next, press the seat release button to remove the seat. Place the caps over the hinge posts. Lower the seat back onto the hinge posts to reinstall. If you have any questions, Gerber's dedicated customer care team is ready to help. Please visit gerber-us.com/support to view contact information and hours of service. Your Gerber Soft Close Quick Release toilet seat is ready to use. Thanks for going with Gerber.